guys, it's Creative Conquest and today is the part 6 of our Photoshop course. So let's create a new document. I will be telling you how you can create a simple cluster effect. So for this you need to select the rectangular marquee tool and click on add to selection, because if you don't, the first rectangle will disappear after drawing the second rectangle. So click on add to selection and draw random simple rectangles and squares. First one should be in the middle. So first one right here, and one from the top, one from the right side, one from the bottom, and one from the left side. I will be telling you two ways to do this. This is the first way. Then after that you need to select a color and create a new layer and press Alt backspace. So after doing this, you need to press Ctrl D to remove the selection, and then just click on File, click on Place Link, and place any image. Like I select this one, scale it to the size you want, press enter. After that you need to right click on the image we just imported and click on create clipping mask. After that you will see this effect. This is called the cluster effect. And then you need to click on layer 1, which was our rectangle layer, double click it and add a simple stroke and add a drop shadow. So this is our cluster effect. Now I will tell you another way of doing this. Let's create a separate document. In this mode you can use any shape for the cluster effect, but I am using rectangular effect. So let's draw simple rectangles. Simple rectangles draw. You can draw any kind of rectangle you want. You can also do it with the rounded rectangles. After drawing the rectangles, you need to select all the rectangles you just made. After selecting them, press Ctrl G to make a group. After that you need to go to File, Place Linked, and place any image. The second image. Wait for the image to be placed. After placing the image, scale it to your liking, like this, and click on the image and do what we did last time. Right click it, click create clipping mask, and this is the before effect, but this is the group method. So let's go again here and add strokes and drop shadows. After adding the stroke and drop shadow on one, hold Alt and drag the effects and drop them onto the other rectangles. This is the duplicate method. Drag and drop. Now you will see this effect. Really simple. So in this video I told you two effects of adding the cluster effect. So if you liked it, please make sure to like, share and subscribe. Bye.